Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily enable background loading in Telegram application. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes, and also don't forget to write comments after watching this video. So let us get down to our topic. Open the Telegram app on your phone and then go to Settings at the bottom. Next, select Data and Storage. Now here you can see a section like this where you can set up automatic video uploads either via mobile data or via Wi-Fi. So let's say I open up mobile data. First thing you're going to do is you're going to activate automatic media downloads by clicking on this button so that it's green like I have. Next, here you'll be able to select the size or quality of the files that will be downloaded. So it will be high quality, medium quality, or low quality. You can also customize your settings for each type of media file separately. It can be either photos, videos, or files. So, let's say you want to customize your photos. You can choose whether your photos will be uploaded from all your contacts or from some private channels, groups, and private groups. So you can choose here, for example, if you don't want your photos to be uploaded from some channels, then just turn this feature off. The same thing you can do, for example, with videos. Here you can turn off any of the media sources so that they are not downloaded. Also here you can choose the size and quality of the video that you would like to have downloaded to your phone. So if, for example, the video is larger than 2.5 megabytes, then it will not automatically download to your phone. You will need to do it yourself. And if you want to increase the size, then promote to the size you want. And in this way, you can also customize all the settings for automatic downloading of Wi-Fi media. Friends, this is the way you can enable background download in Telegram app. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.